Alright, so this is it.
The belt inside that keeps the building sturdy together. The fiber would have been in there to allow the building to cool and to pass through the electrical wires.
Oh wait, there's 2 bathrooms. So this must be the main with its own bathroom. This is bigger than the other 2. And so this is the living area, pretty big. That is the designated dining area. That is the kitchen. It's 1 bedroom, 2nd bedroom, bathroom.
Welcome back to another video, and today finally we're doing an official tour of the H&L homes priced at $4 million, $8 million. We're finally seeing what we get for those seemingly cheap prices. If you had watched the original video, you would have known you're getting a kit. It will not be arranged like you're seeing it today at the model house. You're getting the kit, which is basically like a puzzle, and when you get it, you fit it up to look like you see how this model house looking. You'll get everything: the walls, the floors, the roof, the kitchen cabinet, the bathroom fixtures. All you have to do is put it together on your own land. Get it severed, get it ready, get your own contractor. And if you don't have a contractor, you can ask H&L. And they can put you onto contractors who are already experienced with putting this house together. So right now, we're at 6 Mile going to Duane Park. So if you'd like to view the model house, it is out by Duane Park. And you'll use the same gate as Recycling Partners of Jamaica. Now that is the house I'm seeing on my right. You can see it from the side of the road. So given I'm on the left side, because I'm coming from St. Catherine of Mandela, I'd have to make a U-turn because, you know, in between the road there's that concrete block there, so you definitely have to turn when you get to this light. So this is the light for Duane Park. Corville is to the right, and I'm making a U-turn to go to the house that we saw when we were passing just now. If you're interested, you can make an appointment to view the house. Go to their website and fill in the details. You can choose your own time that you'd like to view it, and someone will need to give you all the information you need. So if you watch this video, you don't get everything, you don't understand something, you need clarification, here's the realtor's information, the telephone number, the email, or you can, as I said, go to the website and arrange viewing, and you can get your questions answered live. All right, security guard, so I'm going through. I assume someone is gonna give me the tour, but there it is.
Here it is. It looks very good. Oh, this is nice. The window.
Outside looking good thus far, but let's do a 360 and see what the size and if there's any surprises around the back. Immediately we're greeted with 2 modern windows at the side, so I'm always for natural light, natural ventilation. AC unit as usual don't come with the homes, but they usually put it on the model homes for your comfort, of course. And the surprise at the back is that there's a back veranda and that there's a wash tub. If you choose to close this up and make it a washroom, that would be nice. All right, but you get a nice open veranda at the back for outdoor living. Okay, a wider view at the back shows that there's at least 3 windows to the back. So again, I like that. And you see the base, So that's how you'd have to make your base and severe your land and get it ready for the house to drop on it. All right, that base that you see in gray, yeah, it had to be in place for the house to be put on it. All right, so let's go around to the left side. Is that it? Now on this side, I noticed the windows are small. So usually smaller windows indicate that it's a bathroom, and when we go inside we'll see this. So what I don't necessarily like is that it's only bathroom windows on this side, and there are 2 bedrooms here. So I would have loved an extra window inside each bedroom for natural ventilation. So I think they could have utilized the wall for that, but that's my preference. It's not everyone's preference because a lot of persons using AC, so it doesn't matter. Nice big window tour right here. Let's see what it is when we go inside. Hello. All right, so let's go to our left as we enter, and we're in the living room, which we'll see more in a moment. But to my immediate left, there's a skylight here and also in the living room, but you can see it's a designated dining room area. I really like that for this size home. This is the kitchen area, but let's look out this door and we'll see that it's where the back veranda is. So you have access to outside from the kitchen and you have access to the washtub. All right, so for this kitchen right here, you see it's pretty small, but it gets the job done. This is the material inside the walls. At the start, you heard her explaining how it's good. It has 1 sink, 1 little overhead cabinet, and of course some lower cabinets, which is an ample amount of storage. You see where they place their stove, but you could build extra cabinets if you'd like. So this right here, this is an empty hallway, but this is just showing that they're gonna change out this brown cabinet for these more tan modern looking ones. So that is what you'll get in your home. So here's the living room section I mentioned. We'll come back there again, but from the living area we enter bedroom number 1, which is 9 by 9. It has a closet, and I believe it can hold a double and maybe up to a queen size bed. So this bedroom shares a wall with the second bedroom, which we exit and just turn left, and then we're inside the second bedroom, which is 9 by 10. Pretty similar layout. As I said, it can hold a queen size bed. I'm not sure about a king, but it can comfortably hold a queen size bed and there'll be space. It also has a closet. All the bedrooms have a closet. All right, but I'll explain why the master bedroom, when we get there, why you're not seeing a closet, but you'll get it when you purchase your home and it's delivered to you. Upon exiting, the hall bath is to our left. It's not very big, but it gets the job done. Standing shower. It's basin where you can add your cabinets around the face basin. Well, it don't seem to be space for it, but you could. You can add to the side of the home. So if you want to lick out the wall and make a bigger bathroom, you can. So we go through this door right here and we realize it's an ensuite. Immediately there's a bathroom to our left, and this bathroom is just a slight bit bigger than the all bath, but it's basically the same layout, same size, and you get the same thing, nothing different. Here is the master bedroom. This is bigger than the both bedrooms that you've seen thus far. And while I mentioned you're not seeing a closet here in the mother unit, one will be provided when you get the unit. Also, you notice that arch in the doorway. I really like that character.
There will be a closet in here as well. So this is the living area, pretty big. That is the designated dining area. That is the kitchen, and this will be the new kitchen now. And this 1 bedroom, 2nd bedroom, bathroom.
So today only the 3-bedroom was available for viewing, but note that for the 2-bedroom, the size of the bedrooms will be the same as the 1st bedroom and the 2nd bedroom. Alright, that's the size of the bedrooms inside the 2-bedroom unit. And all the materials, the cabinets that you see, they will be used in the 2-bedroom and the 1-bedroom as well. It's the same material for those houses as well. If you're interested in one of the 3 homes, you have to pay 70% deposit and they'll start working on your order. Now you can refer to the original video. The link will be in the bio to find out information as to what you need to get in place and more details on what you will be getting. All right, so again, I'm going to show you how you can arrange an appointment to view, and also the seller information, and of course you see where it's located. So if you have difficulties finding it, you can refer to the directions shown in this video. And I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And Silver Sun has duplexes available for a sale. That is coming up next, so make sure you subscribe and tune in. And that is going to actually be posted tomorrow, so stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Bye.